me a big body Benz. We touching paper for records, rapping pretend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle and I do cruelty-free beauty and vegan lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And I wanted to do this look today, created with this new palette. It's new to me, the company's not new. I want to say they've been around for about 2 years now. I could be mistaken, but this is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. I picked this up a couple weeks ago. I picked up a couple palettes, so you guys will be seeing a lot of looks coming from them with their palettes. But this is what their palette looks like. This is a 12 eyeshadow, and 4 of them are mattes, and I just find them so pretty. I used a couple of the colors out of here. My next tutorial, I feel like I'm going to use this green all over the lid, but in order to see the next tutorial, you guys should hit that subscription box and turn on that notification bell so you guys are notified when I do upload my videos. I will be doing a more frequent upload schedule. Once I get that down pack, I will let you guys know, but so you have my videos in the meantime, just make sure you do subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully all is well with you guys. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed and not stressed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so my eyebrows have been giving me some problems. We're just gonna leave it at that. Today I want to do a look using my new Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place, the new palette I picked up. I actually bought a bunch of these, so you guys will be seeing some videos for it. Still in the package. I picked these up about, I want to say 3 weeks ago. It's been a while. They've been sitting here for a while. Just haven't had the time to get to them. So this is what the artwork looks like. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. And on the inside, that's what they look like. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we have 12 shadows in here. I can't remember the price. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. This one also has the names of it as well. And it says the Nubian 2 palette by Juvias was inspired by the African Empire in Old Egypt, headed by the beauty icon Nefertiti. She was famously endowed with strength and spirituality. This palette consists of 12 versatile range of metallic shades and pops of color. And then they are cruelty-free, which is very important. So, very pretty. I didn't realize how big these were gonna be. So, I feel like I'm going to use probably Madagascar in the crease to start out. Okay, so Madagascar right in that crease. Okay, so I just deepened that up with the color Kenya, that brown. I want to go into the color Morocco and see how that looks. Same fluffy brush. Morocco is this orange color here. Burnt orange, I would say. I think I want to go on the lid with this color Ya right here. Ya? Yeah. I'm going to go in with that color. So we're going to change brushes now. So you see what we did there. So that's just the transition colors here, the crease colors that I have. I like it, so we're going to go in with Ya, like I said. We're going to put some Shiba, the color that's right next to it right here. I want to put some in the middle of the eye. I want to see what that looks like. I feel like for it to stand out a little more, I want to wet my brush. I'm going to wet my brush with this Rose Water and Glycerin by Heritage Store. Okay, so we're gonna look for a pencil brush. Let's see, this one's from Loud Cosmetics. And I wanna go in with the color Jezebel right here on the outer corner just to deepen it up just a tad more and add a little bit more color. This one looks like it's like a berry color, like a deep berry. Just want to see. Ooh, very pretty. Just on that outer V. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our Derma E Radiant Face Glow Oil. To shake it a lot because at the bottom it has like the gold reflex in it. So I try to get as much. I try to get as much of the gold as I can off the bottom. Okay, so that's set into the skin pretty well. I actually need to, I'm gonna go in with this Gem Infused Face Lotion by Pacifica. It has rose quartz, turmeric, and watermelon, and for all skin types, cruelty-free and vegan. Whoops. So I wonder if this is gonna leave my skin tacky. That'd be good because it'd be like a good primer. Smells nice. I'm not gonna go in with a primer. I'm gonna go right in with my foundation. So today, which one did I pull out? I'm using the BH Liquid Foundation and Naturally Flawless. I'm in the color Mocha, 225 Mocha. I'm gonna put a little bit here on my palette. This is just a Crown Brushes palette. Okay, so today I'm trying out the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This is in Soft Light. I just poked 3 holes open instead of pulling the whole tape off because you know it's a mess. And as soon as I did it, a whole bunch, oh, you can't even see it, a whole bunch came out. So I'm just gonna use my Flawless Concealer Brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to pat this over top. So before I go into doing that lower lash line color, I think I just want to tight line and get it out of the way. I'm going to be using Tard from OCC. This one's a Coastal Scents BRC S53. That's what that looks like. And we're gonna go back into our palette here, back into the Juvia's Place palette. I wanna use that blue. That blue color was calling me, Cleopatra. Ooh, should I do Cleopatra or Egypt? But since this is such a pretty color, I think I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil. And we're gonna line underneath. I want this color to be true to color, so white liner underneath. When you put a color over top of a white, it will come up true to color. So.